Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are going to learn about our Firebase PHP, and now guys we are going to retrieve the data from our Firebase database. Okay, so this is a real-time database where we have inserted these records, and now let us fetch those records. So first need to go to our documentation, and here at the real-time database you need to move at retrieving data. So click on that and you can see this. Every node in your database can be accessed through a reference. So this is the method, guys. So now let's copy this and move to our editor. So this is my index page and this index page is over here. Okay, so let's get back to editor. So let's design the table, guys, first and then retrieve the data. As simple, table dot table bordered dot table striped, hit enter, table head, then table row, and then table heading, which is one will be ID, or you can tell serial number also, and then the first name, last name, then email ID, and then one more which is called as phone number, and one more thing, table heading with the edit and delete. Done. And after that, in table body, inside this table row, we have to fetch the records. Table data. Done. So guys, now let us get started with that. First, let's open PHP and close PHP. And now first you need to include your database connection. So which database? This db, where is it? dbcon.php. So let's include that with the help of include function. We are going to call dbcon.php file. After this you need to run your query. So which query? This. So let's copy this and paste here. So guys, you need to give the reference. So what is the reference? It's nothing but contacts. So we'll create one variable outside this. $reference table is equal to, inside double quotes, or you can put in single quotes also. So let's move to our real-time database. Over here you can see contacts, right? So we'll call that table reference, copy this and send over here. So let's get back to our documentation. So guys, there are two methods to get data from this table. One is by get by snapshot and one is get value. So both are executed same. So demo has given here, and let's use the same thing. We'll copy this get value, which is in this list also. We can use directly. Copy this get value and paste after this your table. Give forward arrow. What is this database? So this database nothing in your dbcon.php there. Okay, so this is the variable database, and let's rename this as fetch data, and let's use if condition to check that first. So use if condition. If the data is greater than 0, if anything is available, then it should show yes, else. Let's close PHP and open PHP. Over here give a tr tag and td. Let's give call span is equal to double quotes. How many columns? 1 2 3 4 5 6 on 7 columns are there. So let's give 7 and till no record found. As simple. Save this. And now guys, if the condition is successful, then what you're going to do? We need to for each loop the data. So let's use for each loop. Now let us copy this variable fetch data and send inside this as that row, and I want what are the data inside this table, contacts table. I need the child ID also, which you can see this is the child, and inside that are children's. Okay, so let's get back. That we can take with the help of this dollar key. Dollar key is equal to with arrow, and then you need to loop that data over here. So let's close PHP and open PHP. Inside this we are going to cut this table row and paste. Let me just retype it. Table row, table data, and now we need to give that serial number first, which is serial number. So as for that, let me just assign with 0. Dollar I is equal to 0, and you can tell dollar I plus plus, copy paste, and then dollar row of your column name. So dollar row, so this dollar row variable of your column name. So what is the column name which we have shared? You can see inside this, that is email, fname, lname, phone. Okay, so same thing you have to call. So fname, which will be lname, last name, that is then email, and then last is phone. Okay, as simple. And then for the two buttons to edit and delete the records. Edit, let me design this button with the Bootstrap class. Button primary button -sm small. Okay, and this will go to edit contact.php. as simple. Let's save, and same will let's copy this and paste for delete. Let me just minimize this. This will be delete contact.php as danger, and this will be delete. Save, and now let's see the output, guys. Let's get back, refresh. Cool. So you can see that Ved over here and Om is over here. So it's coming from 0, guys. Let's make it to 1. Where it is? Here it is. So let's start with 1. Refresh. Perfect. So 1, 2, 2 records is present, guys. So now let us try to add one more record. So Mohan Kumar, then Mohan at gmail.com, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and let's save. Perfect. Contact added successfully, and the record is fetched over here. You can check in this Firebase. The third record has come. Cool. So guys, now in this video that's it, and let's see in next video about how to edit and update the data in Firebase. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.